packed up and ready to go to our next destination. Off to Florence!
You're super hyped.
No, I'm tired. Alright, gang's off to Termini.
Off to Florence. Here we go.
We're missing 2 people, but they're in that car right up front. We're chasing them down. Alright, here we go. Welcome to Florence. What's up, Steven?
Hello.
We've got really cool courtyard here. Our cute little kitchen. Gonna fry up some crispy eggs. Holding our breath because Carlos took a poop. All right, here they are. Apologize, we forgot about her. Why, hello up there.
Welcome to our crib, you guys. Here we have what we call
Bedroom 1, 2 twins pushed together. Bedroom 2, 2 twins less pushed together. And we're going up. And here we are. Loft life. The original Panerai store from 1860. What do we think of this view?
What about this?
What about this? Oh, that's sick.
Yeah! Harry approved. Yo, so we're here in Florence looking at the beautiful sunset that just finished. The lighting, perfect. Many feet.